Fueled by passion and creativity, Slovenia is a leader in innovative thinking. Its green qualities, creative talent, and smart solutions have been the driving force of a nation determined to develop ideas others think are impossible. With its diverse economy, well-trained people, and great communication and transport infrastructure, Slovenia is on the cusp of Western Europe, according to its GDP per capita. It may be small in size, but it's big in its achievements, because Slovenia's focus on tailored solutions empowers businesses to think outside the box and build strong competitive advantages. Slovenia's creative companies are not only changing the future of structure technology with versatile and sustainable domes, but also realizing architectural dreams with quality ready-made bathrooms. By producing high-tech equipment for professional and household appliances, as well as optical and laser solutions for non-invasive eye treatment, they are making everyday life easier for all. Besides being a creative powerhouse, Slovenia also excels at finding environmentally friendly solutions. Today, its companies continue to reduce carbon footprint with eco-efficient and reliable heat pumps, and homes made completely out of wood. By offering reusable water bottles and smart coffee instruments, Slovenia's companies are also changing customers' habits in the pursuit of a more sustainable future for all. Slovenia wouldn't be creative without the fearless, exceptional, and multilingual people who are ready to tackle the most complex of challenges. Change your perspective and grow with Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.